Hello everyone, just wanted to give you a quick review of this product, professional hair clippers, this brand Kemei or whatever it is, or however it's pronounced. When you open it, I've ordered it offline and there will be a link down there. It might not be exactly the same as this version, but you can find different varieties of them. More or less the same thing and do the same thing. Hair clipper itself, the attachments are included. It's a handy dandy little tool that you really need it around the house. It's a rechargeable tool. The battery is also showing, so you can always change the battery, the rechargeable battery. It's 1.2 volts. It's very good, very ergonomic, with a charging cable. Now mine comes with the European style, or you need to have your own different types. And mine, I had to, because there was no option. I just picked this one, but I have my own adapter. So if you're buying it that way, make sure you buy the right plug for your country. Otherwise, you'll need, like me, you'll need an adapter. It comes also with a little brush to clean the clippers, and a little bottle of oil to lubricate the clippers, metals rubbing against each other. And also it comes with the hair clippers attachments, starting from 3 millimeters to 12 millimeters, going by 3, 6, 9, 12 millimeters. That can easily be attached to this. You just attach the top part first, and then the back you just clip it on, or you can just push it back a little bit and press it on, so you avoid any damage. Easiest is just slide it in and then press the back in, and then the same way you just pull it back from the back and then out. What I couldn't find in the instruction manual, which is only like 2 pages instruction, very brief, it doesn't say much. What you couldn't find is how to change the attachment, the head. I thought you had to take the screw out, but you don't need to do that. When you do that, the springs come out and it's difficult to put it back together unless you know what you're doing, like I did. So all you have to do is get a good grip of this, like this, and pull it straight out, like this. It is tight, which is good, and again, you want to put it back, you try to put it from the bottom part first. There's a groove there, that needs this tongue needs to go in there first, and make sure the motor head is also in the groove. This is the head of the motor, and there's another groove here in the middle, so it has to go like that there, and then take it out and change it for another attachment. You have 2 attachments, 2 more attachments. One is for beard and one is for nose or ears, and the same way you attach them back to this. Let's say you want to attach this shaver. So this one has its own attachment, so don't worry about that one. That just press the either side of this and pull it out to clean. If you wanted to clean this, this is the blades, and it's got a spring, and it's got a little foam here to catch the hair and stuff. And you can take that out as well, and just take this out and clean it and put it back there. And again, you put this just like that there. But how do you attach this? again, you make sure this tongue is against this or in front of this groove, and make sure this head is, the head of this motor is in front of that groove in the middle. And again, you align it at the bottom first, and then you push it in. If it doesn't go in, I would recommend just turn it on and off a little bit, and that way you change the position of the motor a little bit. Luckily, it'll be the right position, and push it in, and just like that. It's a little bit to align and put it back in, but it does work. Make sure you align it and get no gaps between the head attachment and the body of this shaver. And it's got a LED lamp. When you charge it, it goes red. It doesn't go green, so it always stays red. So that's another thing that you need to be aware of. And then turn it on and off. So again, you want to pull it out. So I just pull the head of the trimmer. You can put that back in. That's not what we want to take out at the moment. So you put that back in place. All you have to do is just pull it out altogether and put this back again. You just have to align it. Like I said, if it doesn't go, you have to turn it on and off, and then it should hopefully go in. You might need to turn it on and off a few times for each head attachment. And that's all about it, really. The links will be down there for this type of product from Amazon. If you want to buy from there, and that will support us as well. And that's the attachment for the nose trimmer. So any questions, don't forget to subscribe and put comments there. Thank you. See you later. Bye.